Buenos Aires, Argentina, December 18, 2023.
Guarda, guarda, guarda. No, mira, mira. No, no.
¿Cómo no se bajan del auto?
No.
A violent and rare storm struck Argentina's capital, causing massive destruction and claiming 18 lives. This rare storm brought fierce winds exceeding 93 mph or 150 km per hour, along with hail and torrential rains. The storm hit the port city of Bahia Blanca, around 570 km or 355 miles south of Buenos Aires, on Saturday, damaging buildings and causing power outages before moving towards the capital on Sunday. Officials said that after landing in Bahia Blanca, the storm caused part of the roof of a sports center to collapse during a roller skating competition. Images published by local media outlets showed harrowing scenes in Bahia Blanca, home to more than 300,000 people. Video showed blustering winds sweeping the sides of high-rise buildings, accompanied by distant flashes of lightning and smothering haze cloaking much of the city. The capital itself faced winds up to 75 mph or 120 km per hour. At Ezeiza International Airport, the intense winds were strong enough to move parked planes. Footage published by local media and reportedly shot at the Aeropark Airport near Buenos Aires showed a parked plane being buffeted around by the winds. A set of boarding stairs could also be seen being blown across a runway and crashing into a luggage carrier.
Cochera destruida. El hall de entrada, nada.
En Carminati completa, el club estudiante, desapareció el club estudiante.
The storm's impact was widespread, with around 1,000 trees uprooted, significant infrastructural damage and hundreds of households left without electricity. Pictures showed large trees knocked over and tattered buildings, some with their roofs blown off or collapsed. The extent of the destruction led to partial isolation of some nearby areas, such as San Isidro, due to blocked roads from fallen trees. The aftermath has disrupted the transportation system, and many regions remain on high alert for further weather disturbances.
Cuidado con los vidrios acá. Los balcones que se cayeron, que justo que no había nadie, de casualidad.
Dios mío.
after the strong storm that affected the province and the city of Buenos Aires on Saturday evening and Sunday morning in Bahia Blanca. The inclement weather wreaked havoc this Monday in several points of Salta, where overflowing streams, flooded streets, roads and fallen trees and poles, and even cars dragged by water as a result of an intense storm were recorded. The Ministry of Security and Justice reported that the rains recorded during the afternoon, accompanied by some gusts of wind, affected several towns in the province. A video from Targadal that went viral this Monday shows the city's streets flooded and cars and even a dump truck being pushed by the current. A state of emergency and 3 days of mourning were declared for Buenos Aires province on Monday. Winds with gusts of over 150 kilometers or 93 miles per hour and flooding have caused extremely serious damage, the Buenos Aires provincial government said on Monday. The country's most populous province, which is home to some 17.5 million people, will have an administrative and school holiday in several towns, including Bahia Blanca, the worst affected by the storm. Late on Sunday, the National Energy Secretariat reported that emergency measures had been taken to restore the electricity supply in the areas affected by the storm, where 1 million users were reported to have been without power. The authorities said the service would return to normal within 72 hours. The storm mainly affected the metropolitan area of Buenos Aires, where on Monday there were still trees fallen on parked cars, damage to balconies, pavements, and various structures. But the National Meteorological Service, or SMN, has warned that the province of Santa Fe, Corrientes, and Entre Rios on the coast of the Paraná River could see more heavy storms with intense rain, wind gusts, and occasional hail.